Hey guys, welcome to my channel. All right, this is a MIT Inventor app that I'm currently busy with. As you can see, it's for home automation, but this one you don't use text, you use blocks to program. We use blocks. So what I mean about blocks, talking about this. So you start with your design first, then after the design, then you program using blocks. For example, to give you an idea what I'm currently busy doing, so this is a living room. As you can see, the picture is there, the living room is there. These are buttons, image buttons. So we have a living room, we have a kitchen, we have a bedroom, storeroom. So each room has a light, has a camera, has an icon. So for example, if it won't work, so just that I don't have a simulation software for it. I was gonna show you, but I'm not done with it. So for example, so when you press the living room, it will show a light, a live camera, and icon. So if you press the kitchen, the same as that. So meaning this app is going to be installed on the phone. Then after that, you're going to control your appliances. Or let me not talk about appliances. Let me say light and live camera is for security systems, if I may say. Okay, so now I'm going to show you right now what am I going to use to program, what am I going to use to interface the app. What microcontroller I'm going to use to interface this app with. Yes, something like that. I'm going to interface this app with that microcontroller. I was supposed to say that. So let me show you right now. Okay guys, this is the type of microcontroller I'm going to use. It's called an ESP. As you can see the features. So I'm going to use it for Wi-Fi. So then I have a relay over here. Then I have my bulb. So normally when I learn or I'm testing a microcontroller, the first thing I like to do, I like to use this bulb. This is my testing friend, the bulb. So I'm going to use the relay, I'm going to use the ESP. As you can see, these are the features of the microcontroller that I'm going to use. Then I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.